welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using my NuMe wand to curl my hair. So let's get into it. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be using this Dove dry hair shampoo with charcoal just to make sure my hair is good, because you know your girl got some oil and grease up in there because this is like day 4 or 5 with unwashed hair. And so now I'm going to split my hair into 2 big sections, and I'm going to pull all my hair up front. And I'm going to grab a small section of my hair and then of course just wrap it around my wand. Get as close as possible without burning myself, and then just wait a couple of seconds. And there you go, a nice decent curl. And then of course I'm going to go wrapping my hair in different directions around the wand. I'm going to go in front and then of course behind the wand as well, just so my hair goes in different directions. And then I'm going to continue doing this until it gets in front of my face. Alright, now that I'm getting closer to my face, I don't only have a small section of hair. I am actually going to go in smaller chunks now, just so I can have a good curl towards my face. Alright, now that this half of my hair is curled, I'm just going to let that set for a little bit so it can cool down. Now I'm moving on to this section of my hair. Alright, now that all my hair is curled, I'm going to give it a couple of minutes so it can cool down, and then I'll brush it out. Alright, now that my hair has cooled down a little bit, I'm going to grab my wet brush and of course just gently brush through my hair. Alright, and there you have it, some nice, soft, easy looking curls. Of course, if you want to, you can spray hairspray in your hair. I personally don't do it just because I like my curls to bounce. So hopefully this will help y'all use the NuMe wand on your hair. Until next time, bye guys!